Hey squad, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode is this cool mid right here, and basically what this is a crystal clear ice mold. So you basically use this to actually make like a huge ball that is shaped like an ice cube, which is pretty awesome. So I actually tested another one in the past, and that one was a rose shape, and that one's actually really cool already. Alright, so I'm actually take it out. You can see that this is basically what the product looks like. So everything is completely frozen inside right here, which is pretty nice. You guys can see this is basically what the product looks like. So literally formed a rose-shaped ice cube. If you can see, it looks really cool. So if you can see, this is basically what the final product looks like once you guys finish it. Definitely looks very nice with that rose shape on here. But this time I want to test out this one here, which is like a crystal clear ball that's basically like an ice cube, which is pretty interesting. But I'm just open this up to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this is what it looks like inside. Let's take everything out. Alright, so when you guys take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So they basically provide you guys the foam part right here, and the inside right here is actual silicone tray. So I'm actually take it out to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is basically what the top part looks like. So it comes with these separate parts right here, which is silicone material. But instead they do have the shape of the ball right here. And this is basically what the inside looks like. So pretty much when you guys have the product set up inside right here, you can basically pour the water on top until it fully fills up. Then you can actually put it into the freezer to actually freeze it. So I just put this back together to show you guys what I mean. Alright, so once we push it back in, you guys can see this is basically what the top part looks like. So I can see these little holes right here, and right here. You basically want to fill the water inside right there until it's full. Once it's full, you guys want to pour out any extra water so that way it doesn't overfill or anything. And once you guys do that, you can basically put it into the freezer to actually freeze it. But that is basically everything that's on the product here. Let me actually go test this out to see when it actually works, and then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. Alright, so we got the product right here. So what we're going to do is fill the water through the hole right here first. If it's first time using the product, you probably want to rinse it first. Let's start adding water in. Alright, so it looks like it's full. So basically want to pour out the extra water and you can put this into your freezer. Alright, so that should be good. You basically want to wipe off the slide and we put this into our freezer. Alright, so you see the product fits inside my mini fridge that we have inside right here. And this is from the brand called Medea. So if you guys want one, you definitely should get one of these right here. So that way it's actually portable for you guys to fit into your room if you guys are living by yourself in the studio or whatever. But you can see it actually fits perfectly inside right here, and there's still space right here. So probably leave it overnight and then we'll come back and check on it to see how it actually looks like. Alright, so it's been 2 days since I left it in the fridge. Alright, so let's take it out. So you see when we take it out, the bottom layer is completely frozen, but we don't need this layer right here. We want to take a look at this layer right here. So basically I want to open it up like this. You guys can see how round the ball is right here. You basically want to do the same thing for other side as well. And we see how easy it is to actually remove it because of the silicone material that's on here. So if you guys want to take it out, just push it out. So that's one. That's two. Here's three. And here is 4. So you see how round each one of these are right here. And when you guys touch it, you definitely want to be careful because it's actually really cold. So you might get like frostbite or whatever when you guys touch it. So you probably want to wear like some safety gloves or something. But you see it definitely does work. My only issue with this product is the fact that it wastes a lot of space using the actual part right here to actually make the ice. And you guys are wasting all those water in the bottom part right there. But other than that issue, everything about the product works really well, and it's actually really cool if you can see. But this is basically what the final product looks like once you guys finish it. Alright, welcome back guys. So now this is a quick test of the product. Definitely see that actually does work. It actually works quite well. Super easy to use the product if you didn't see. All you can do is pour the water on top until it fills up. And once you guys do that, you can basically take it out if you guys see from the video. The ball actually looks really cool. So if you guys want to add this onto your cup to drink like alcohol or whatever, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. And like I mentioned, I actually tested another one from this brand, and that one was a rose shape. Honestly, if I compare both of these right here, I prefer the rose one because the rose one's much cooler. But if you guys want like a round shape like the one that we have right here, you can definitely get one of these right here. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Not to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys work at a restaurant or if you guys are hosting a party or something. If you guys want to be a little bit more extra and make your ice cube look a little bit more extra, then definitely getting this one right here or the rose one like I mentioned is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.